like my bushes and grass are getting some water. It's a rainy day and I would love to be in the bed all day, but I got things to do. So I'm going to finish my cup of coffee, get showered, get dressed, and start my day. I am showered, feeling fresh and clean, vibrant and awake. So now let's go ahead and get some work done today. Back to the body butter making. I've got my body butter separated into 5 equal parts because I'm making 5 different fragrance oils. Now I'm just going to add the fragrance oil into each batch and start piping. All 40 of my body butters. I'm gonna go ahead and package these and get some labels put on them. Now that those body butters are made, right there, I'm going to update my inventory, which is synced to my Shopify, and all those quantities will update there as well. And they are ready to sell. So I'm online right now because I broke my tripod. Remember, this is broken. I think I need a new tripod. I posted a little snippet of my son trying to fix it. But the tripod that I have now is literally on one leg or literally on its last leg because 2 of the legs just broke off, and it is so important that I get a tripod ASAP because I'm doing so many videos, but I just don't like to be rushed. So I just hope that I made a good decision with this one that I did choose. And I needed to get more gloves, so I placed an order for that as well. So that should be coming this week. And it's about time for me to get ready for my daughter's game. We are traveling to her school to watch her play basketball this evening, and I'm gonna bring you all along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed those basketball highlights and you watched my baby do the game-winning three-pointer and brought the team into overtime. How you feel, AJ?
Two game winners. Two.
2. I want to give a shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you for your support. If you want the recipe to any of my products that were in this video, it's going to be posted on my Patreon, which is also in the description box below.
I also shout out to my father, the one who cusses me out every time we get a chance. My brother, who used to fail me all the time and go through adversity. And my man, because I beat him 1v1. Real bad.
So you were down by 2 at the bottom of the 4th. What made you decide to go in and do the floater, bring you into overtime?
She said drive, but there was 2 girls down there, and I was like, what would my man do?
He gave everything they
He
got.
pull it up. That was my man, and I made it.
Okay, AJ, last question. Bottom of overtime. You got 7.1 seconds on the clock. You're only down by 2 points.
They said shoot, and I just threw it up there. I can't even lie to you, I had no form, no nothing. I just threw it.
But it was nothing but net.
Okay, I had a little bit of form, but it's because I had nothing to lose. When you
But
got
the
nothing-
game.
Shout out to my mom for always being there in the crowd. If she was, she might not know what she was saying, but she was saying something. That's my motivator right there. Make that 3. We on defense. Yeah. I give her props. She know a little bit, but you know. Look at her.
I birthed a baller. I know something.
Period.